Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we will practice easy English in Chiba, Japan.
Chiba sounds fun. I know it has Tokyo Disneyland.
Yes, Tokyo Disneyland is in Urayasu, Chiba Prefecture.
Haha, the name says Tokyo, but the place is Chiba.
Exactly. Chiba is also famous for Narita, the sea, old towns, beaches, mountains, and fresh seafood.
That sounds like a full trip.
Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, enjoy Chiba, and learn little by little.
Today, our topic is a beautiful and exciting trip through Chiba.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul.
Thanks, Emily. We are starting at Narita Airport, right?
Yes, Narita Airport is an important gateway to Japan.
Gateway is a useful word.
Good point. Gateway means an entrance or a starting point.
Narita Airport is a gateway to Japan.
Excellent sentence. Please repeat. Narita Airport is a gateway to Japan.
Narita Airport is a gateway to Japan.
When you arrive, you can say, I just arrived in Chiba.
I just arrived in Chiba.
Just arrived means arrived a short time ago.
I just arrived in Chiba, and I am ready to explore.
Next, let's visit Naritasan Shinsho-ji Temple.
The temple area feels traditional and peaceful.
Good sentence. The temple area feels traditional and peaceful.
The temple area feels traditional and peaceful.
Traditional means connected to old culture and customs.
Peaceful means calm and quiet, right?
Exactly. You can also say, I want to walk along the old street.
I want to walk along the old street.
Along means following the line of something, like a street or river.
I want to walk along Omotesando Street.
Very natural. And if you see old shops, you can say, the shops have a warm atmosphere.
The shops have a warm atmosphere.
Atmosphere means the feeling of a place. Now, let's go to Tokyo Disneyland in Urayasu.
This is one of the most exciting places in Chiba.
Yes, many visitors come here for dreams, music, parades, and attractions.
How can I say I am excited?
You can say, I am so excited to visit Tokyo Disneyland.
I am so excited to visit Tokyo Disneyland.
Excited means happy because something fun is going to happen.
I am excited because the park feels magical.
Good. Magical means wonderful, special, and like a dream.
The park feels magical.
You can also say, I want to take a picture near the castle.
I want to take a picture near the castle.
Near means close to something.
Haha, I will probably take too many pictures.
That is normal at a theme park.
Emily, theme parks have many useful English phrases.
Yes. Let's practice simple phrases for a theme park.
How can I ask about waiting time?
You can say, how long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
Good. Wait means the time before you can do something.
How long is the wait for this ride?
Excellent. Ride means an attraction you can get on.
How can I buy food politely?
You can say, I'd like one popcorn, please.
I'd like one popcorn, please.
Very good. I'd like is polite and useful.
I'd like one drink, please.
Perfect. You can use this phrase in many places.
Haha. English practice is easier with snacks.
Next, let's visit Makuhari and Chiba City.
This area feels modern and spacious.
Good sentence. This area feels modern and spacious.
This area feels modern and spacious.
Modern means new or up to date.
Spacious means there is a lot of space.
Exactly. You can say, the city feels bright and open.
The city feels bright and open.
Makuhari is also known for events, shopping, and the seaside.
I like places where the city and the sea are close.
Nice sentence. The city and the sea are close.
The city and the sea are close.
Now, let's walk in Sawara Old Town.
This town feels nostalgic.
Sawara is known for its old streets and canal scenery.
How can I describe this place?
You can say, this town has an old Japanese atmosphere.
This town has an old Japanese atmosphere.
Very good. You can also say, the canal makes the town beautiful.
The canal makes the town beautiful.
Canal means a narrow waterway made or used by people.
The canal and old houses look beautiful together.
Excellent. Together means with each other.
Haha. This is a good place to walk slowly.
Next, let's go to Kujukuri Beach.
The beach looks long and wide.
Good sentence. The beach looks long and wide.
The beach looks long and wide.
Wide means large from side to side.
The ocean feels powerful.
Powerful means strong and impressive.
The ocean feels powerful and endless.
Endless means it feels like it never stops.
I want to walk along the beach.
Good. I want to walk along the beach.
I want to walk along the beach and listen to the waves.
That is a beautiful sentence. Now, let's visit Choshi and Inubosaki Lighthouse.
The lighthouse stands near the ocean.
Good sentence. The lighthouse stands near the ocean.
The lighthouse stands near the ocean.
A lighthouse helps ships travel safely at sea.
That is simple and useful.
You can say, the lighthouse is a symbol of the coast.
The lighthouse is a symbol of the coast.
Symbol means something that represents an idea or place.
The wind is strong here.
Yes, you can say, the sea breeze feels strong.
The sea breeze feels strong.
Sea breeze means wind from the sea. Next, let's visit Nokogiriyama.
The mountain view is dramatic.
Good. Dramatic means impressive and exciting to look at.
The mountain view is dramatic.
From high places, you can often see the bay and the sea.
How can I say the view is amazing?
You can say, the view is breathtaking.
The view is breathtaking.
Breathtaking means very beautiful and amazing.
The view is breathtaking, but the stairs are hard.
Haha, that is also a useful sentence.
The stairs are hard, but the view is worth it.
Worth it means good enough for the effort. Now, let's travel to Kamogawa by the ocean.
Kamogawa feels like a relaxing seaside town.
Good sentence. Kamogawa feels like a relaxing seaside town.
Kamogawa feels like a relaxing seaside town.
Seaside means near the sea.
There is also a famous aquarium in Kamogawa, right?
Yes, a visit to an aquarium is a good way to learn ocean words.
Aquarium is a useful word.
Aquarium means a place where you can see fish and sea animals.
I want to see sea animals.
Good. I want to see sea animals.
I want to see sea animals and learn their names in English.
That is a great way to study.
Emily, after the ocean, I am getting hungry.
Then, let's enjoy Chiba food.
What is Chiba known for?
Chiba is known for fresh seafood and peanuts.
How can I order seafood politely?
You can say, I'd like some fresh seafood, please.
I'd like some fresh seafood, please.
Good. Fresh means not old and good to eat.
The fish tastes fresh and delicious.
Excellent. You can also say, these peanuts are crunchy.
These peanuts are crunchy.
Crunchy means it makes a light sound when you bite it.
Haha, crunchy is a fun word.
Yes, food words are easy to remember. Finally, let's enjoy the Boso countryside.
The flower fields look peaceful.
Good sentence. The flower fields look peaceful.
The flower fields look peaceful.
Countryside means an area with fields, farms, and nature.
The countryside feels quiet and gentle.
Very nice. Quiet and gentle are useful travel words.
I want to take a slow walk here.
Good. I want to take a slow walk here.
Chiba has exciting places and peaceful places.
Exactly. That contrast makes Chiba interesting.
Contrast means a clear difference between two things.
Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1. Narita Airport is a gateway to Japan.
Narita Airport is a gateway to Japan.
Number 2. The temple area feels traditional and peaceful.
The temple area feels traditional and peaceful.
Number 3. I am so excited to visit Tokyo Disneyland.
I am so excited to visit Tokyo Disneyland.
Number 4. How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
Number 5. I'd like one popcorn, please.
I'd like one popcorn, please.
Number 6. This town has an old Japanese atmosphere.
This town has an old Japanese atmosphere.
Number 7. I want to walk along the beach.
I want to walk along the beach.
Number 8. The lighthouse is a symbol of the coast.
The lighthouse is a symbol of the coast.
Number 9. The view is breathtaking.
The view is breathtaking.
Number 10. The fish tastes fresh and delicious.
The fish tastes fresh and delicious.
Great job. Please practice these phrases again.
Little by little, English becomes easier.
Today, we visited Chiba and practiced easy English.
We enjoyed Naritasan, Tokyo Disneyland, Makuhari, Sawara, Kujukuri Beach, Choshi, Nokogiriyama, Kamogawa, and the Boso countryside.
Chiba was exciting, peaceful, modern, traditional, and full of ocean views.
I loved the magical park, the old town, the beaches, and the seafood.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
Practice slowly every day.
What place should we visit next?
Okayama, Shimane, Yamaguchi, Kagawa, or another place?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.